I think it's still
Hey,
killing.
Ram,
Pardon?
do you know why I can't store the underwater weapons in my house?
Why?
Well,
Jesus
I mean,
Christ, lower your voice, sir.
is
How's it
just
going
the
for people?
voice?
No,
Cause,
I bought them both from Black Market.
sometimes, like in my house, like there's a box.
I repair your car.
He's robbing it. He's
You
been going
will.
around robbing as many vehicles he can find.
Every time I put an ammo,
Yeah, he's trying to.
ammo in there, it would just
Yeah.
He doesn't realise
he's
that
trying to
we are
lock
in the
it.
centre.
No,
Well, your lights are flashing, so
so
he
I
is.
mean, try taking the mags out and then see if
You
that
can
I
tell it's been
repair your
robbed. The lights are
car.
flashing.
Look at you. Look at your car wheels, man.
Oh, well,
Repaired.
I haven't did, man. Sorry, man.
I have told him many times. He's not listening. He's doing it deliberately.
Yeah, oh yeah, this guy's been lockpicking.
Negative, negative. I repair. I'm repairing. Don't call the cops.
Quite
Don't
clear.
call the cops, guys.
Watch out, watch out,
Which
watch
was the
out.
masked guy I spoke to earlier? Because there's two of you.
Please.
Huh? Sorry?
I give you $20. Don't
How much
call
was
the
the-
cops.
Oh, about the
firearm?
Side itself, or oh,
Should
helmet
contact the
160.
200 each. Yeah, with the helmet you get quite a bit.
No, it's on a
Can't
better
spend
player, it's not
money on
process.
this brand.
Fred is in court to claim back